pension benefits to all senior citizens regardless on financial status or income bracket at an amount of 2,000 pesos per month, subject to review every 2 years, taking into consideration inflation and the availability of funds. In addition, this bill seeks to propose additional source of funding for this senior citizen program by specifically allowing augmentation from local government units, resources, as well as grants, donations, or contributions that may be extended to the LGUs. Aging is a great equalizer. Rich or poor, older persons or senior citizens suffer the same consequences of the declining health, physical impairment, and diminished financial capacity. The 2007 Philippine Longitudinal Study on Aging, PLSOA, conducted by the University of the Philippines Population Institute, UPPI, provided some revealing insights into the country's elderly population, highlighting two important aspects of aging: health and economic status, which are both deemed to decline as the years progress. Retirement from employment drastically affects the financial capacity of many seniors. Even with retirement or pension benefits, which prove to be meager compared to expenses, the lack of a regular source of income results in great economic instability. Some basic needs like housing, foods, and clothing remain, while there is rapidly increasing health-related expenditure. With cash flow fixed or even greatly reduced, senior citizens may experience an increase in medical expenses, such as the requirement for maintenance, medicines, regular laboratory tests of checkups, and even frequent hospitalization or medical treatments such as dialysis. The social protection framework to which the Philippines subscribes requires the development of policies and programs which shall reduce poverty and vulnerability to risk and enhance the social status and rights of marginalized sectors like the senior citizens, including protecting against the sudden loss of income and improving capacity to manage risk. In view of the foregoing, the passage of this bill is earnestly recommended.